Okay, today we're gonna be going over the lower bar and how to mount it into each one of these trucks.
The lower bar comes in three varieties: a 58-inch bar, a 54-inch bar, and a 50-inch bar for the full-size truck, mid-size truck, and compact truck, respectively. So with your order, you should have received a lower bar, a left and a right drop bracket, and a lower bar kit.
Okay, and in the lower bar kit, you'll find 6 bolts, two 2-hole T-nuts, 2 1-hole T-nuts, 6 lock washers, and 6 regular washers.
You're gonna start off by taking each of the drop brackets and take one of your bolts, a lock washer, and a washer, and go ahead and push them through the drop bracket down into there. Now you'll notice there are 3 holes. The 2 holes here will be for the 2-hole T-nut. The 1 hole here will be for the 1-hole T-nut. Once again, thread these on just a few threads. This lower bar is optional, but we do encourage people to use it for bikes because it adds bike stability, as well as for Sur-Rons and smaller dirt bikes, things like that.
Once you have the 3 in, the 2-hole T-nut here, the 1 there, you'll slide it into the top of the lower bar.
The way this is designed is there's these 2 holes as well as the slot. The 2 holes are for the tonneau cover way of doing this. The slot is for the standard clamp. So you're gonna go ahead and widen this out and slide this underneath the carriage bolt there. Just like that. Once you're underneath, you'll go ahead and retighten that back down. So this is how you install this on a truck bed with a standard bedside, like an F-150, a Chevy Silverado, Ram pickup, any of those things.
Cool, now that you've seen the standard clamp, we'll show you on the deck rail system.
Now we're on a deck rail system. Same concept, except you're just going to take this 1-inch carriage bolt and push it up, slide it right into place. Okay, once it's tight, go ahead and tighten these 3 bolts. Now, we're gonna show you how this works with a T-Track tonneau cover setup. If you remember, during the rack setup process with the tonneau cover kit, there was some hardware left over. This is what this hardware is used for. There were 2 lengths of bolts used for the T-Track system. This is because T-Track depths will vary. For this truck specifically, this one needs the 16mm bolt. So we're gonna go ahead, take the 16mm bolt and 1 washer, and go ahead and put it through the 2 large holes. Then thread on the T-nut, with the mount facing up, just a thread or 2. Repeat that for the other hole.
Once you have the mounting hardware on to the bracket here, you're gonna go ahead and slide it into the T-Track. On this specific truck, the lower bar is a little wider, so you have to do 1 side at a time. Slide it up to where you want it, and go ahead and tighten all 4 of these down, here and there.
Something to consider is if you have shorter bikes and this is just too far back, one thing you can do is you actually flip this whole assembly around 180 degrees, and then we'll put the lower bar closer to the cab so you can fit shorter bikes a little bit better in here.
All right, perfect. And that is how you install the lower bar on tonneau cover, the deck rail, and the standard clamp. Thanks for watching. Let us know if you have any questions.